God!
Pina-check ko sa appraiser yung watch ng daddy mo. 8 ang original serial number ng Romanati. Sobra ito ng 2!
Oh my God, can you calm down? What are you talking about? Can I see? Oh my... Zach!
Ibalik mo yan sa daddy mo. Ibalik mo sa akin yung pera ko!
Wait lang, okay? There must be some mistake. This is a rare item, okay? Ang tagal na nito sa dad ko. Bata pa lang ako sinusuot na
Wala
dito.
akong pakialam sino sinungaling. Ikaw yung appraiser. Asan yung pera?
It's gone. I don't have it.
How could you lose all the money in just a week?
I paid my credit card and then the rest, I just treated myself to some me time. I mean...
I want my money back! Wala akong pakialam kung paano mo ako mababayaran. Wala akong pakialam kahit ibenta mo yung kidney mo. Gawin mo yun! Yana, you don't want to be on my bad side.